Welcome back to the channel, and today we are looking at Smart Lend. Before we get any further, remember nothing in this video is financial advice. Please do your own research and only invest what you are willing to lose. At the time of you seeing this video, Smart Lend would have just launched, so it is brand new contract. No one has deposited yet, and you can get in as early as possible. So what is Smart Lend? It is a secure, audited, stablecoin and lending platform on the Binance Smart Chain. You can stake BUSD, USDT, USDC, and DAI to get stable reward of 1.5% per day. So the time of recording this is not live, but when you're seeing it, the platform will be live. Basically, there are two things you can do. You can either stake your stablecoins. This can be USDT, BUSD, USDC, or DAI. And then also you can swap coins. So here we have a swap. You can swap any stablecoin into another stablecoin where you will get a 0.5% reward and also then a 1.5% per day. So if we go through the FAQs, why stablecoins? Obviously, these stablecoins are pegged to $1. The price of the coin is constant and holds true under any market conditions, except the whole Luna thing, but we'll ignore that, even during a bear market. This allows the platform to work stably and accurately predict profits for participants. So how does it work? You connect your wallet, either MetaMask or other wallets, using the wallet collect, choose any of the stablecoins you want to stake, and then hit the stake button. And then you can withdraw whenever with your reward. And again, that will give you a 1.5% per day return. So that is just standard staking. However, there is also a swap function. This swap function, again, you can swap your coins in an instant to get rewards on this platform. So 0.5% of your trade, for example, if you traded 10,000 BUSD to USDC, you would get 50. So yeah, so 0.5% of your trade goes as additional rewards from the platform. And then your rewards are locked for 70 days and distributed to you at 1.5% per day. So an example, if you swap 10,000 BUSD to USDT, instantly you get 50 BUSD rewards, and then you can get 0.575 BUSD every single day, up to 70 days. So that would give you a 102.5% BUSD profit, plus at the end of it, you will get your initial BUSD unlocked on day 70. So again, this is like a 70 day if you do the swap, or you can just do the straight up staking. There's an affiliate system. It is a 5 tier affiliate, up from 3 to 0.5%. And how much you can earn? Again, you get 1.5% profit for 70 days, which is 105%. And once that 70 days are over, you can withdraw your principal, which is very nice. A lot of these stakers, your principal is gone forever. However, with this system, after 70 days, you can get your principal back. So overall, after 70 days, you have 205% profit on your deposit. And yeah, that is Smart Lend. Again, they have the contract here. You can see it hasn't gone live. No one has gone into it. But by the time you're seeing this, the contract would have just gone live. They are audited, they've got Telegram, and I believe the team behind this have had some previously high successful projects, a lot of value in their contracts, multiple in the millions. So I feel like this could be something that can boom as well. But that is Smart Lend. Also, actually, there is an airdrop. So depending on how much you swap or stake, you will get airdrop tokens. I'm not sure when the airdrop will come through, but you'll be able to get their own SML tokens depending on what you airdrop and depending on what you stake and swap. So that's another way to make a little bit of profit. But remember, this stuff can be risky. If the contract balance hits 0, you might not be able to get your rewards. So always bear that in mind and only invest what you are willing to lose. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one.